In this video, I will show you how you can easily and quickly program your own Kick commands using JavaScript. To avoid having to host something yourself and deal with the Kick API, there's a much simpler method provided by Kicklet. Simply sign up on Kicklet and you can get started right away. Here, we navigate to commands in the menu on the right. Let's create a new command by clicking on the plus sign here. This is the simple editor for creating basic commands with a simple response. However, since we want to program a command, we'll select the advanced editor at the top. The trigger goes here at the top, which is what your viewers need to enter to activate the command. I'll take hello for now. This means the viewers will then use !hello to activate the command. In the other tabs, you can set other things such as when the command can be used or how much it costs and so on. Feel free to check those out, but today we'll focus on the JavaScript part of the command. Here, you enter the response that our command ultimately outputs. For example, I can simply write a basic hello here. At the bottom right, you always have the option to test your commands in a simulation without having to save them or spam the Kick chat. So if I press the send button here, my command !hello is executed, and I see the response from the Kicklet bot with hello. Now we want to use JavaScript to process the commands. For this, we'll erase this and just type setup and press enter. Here we see a template part and a JavaScript part. For clarification, the template part is Go Text Template, and the JavaScript part is, as the name suggests, JavaScript. But in order to execute JavaScript, we first need to make a call to a JavaScript function in the template. We do this by writing script.call here, and then confirm the autocomplete with enter. Here, an argument comes in, which is a JavaScript function we want to call. I'll just take main for now, and that's pretty much all we need to do in the template tag if we want to code our command with JavaScript only. So let's move on to the script tag and write our function as we're accustomed to from JavaScript. We called it main above, so we have to name it main here too. And here the adventure begins. Everything you return as a string in this main method will then be rendered into the template above and later displayed in the chat. This means, for testing purposes, we can just return hello from JS here below. When we test our command again, we see that we successfully get the output from the JavaScript function. You can expand this as much as you like. I recommend you take a look at the Kicklet documentation for this. There, you'll find everything you need. For example, at the very top is the sender. If we just copy the JavaScript example here, we can insert it into our script part and then include the sender in the response below. So we test again and see the message has changed to Hello John Kicklet from JS. Just browse through the documentation. There are hundreds of possibilities for creating creative commands. There are almost no limits. Be creative and delight your viewers. When you're done, don't forget to save your command here at the top. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.